Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I'm doing a little review on this OBD2 scanner from the company Topdon. This is the ArtiDiag900 Lite. Let's get to it. Plug this into the vehicle. You can put it outside the vehicle in your working table and you can operate like that the device. You're gonna have camera, you're gonna have in and out charger, you can take a picture, headphones, power on, reset. It has carbon fiber look in here, 8-inch screen, on this side you're gonna have an extension in case you need to have an extension on the vehicle. Plug this into the OBD2, plug this to the Bluetooth device, plug to charge your scanner, USB-C Type-C connector, quick guide, and user manual. Right now I'm working on this 2008 Ford Econoline. I'm doing shocks and it has a check engine light, and I'm gonna see what's going on with it to let the client know what we need to do. If you're gonna use it for the first time, before you turn the ignition on, connect it, then turn the ignition on, and it's gonna ask you to pair the little device, the Bluetooth device. You're gonna hit the corner, and obviously at the beginning you're gonna have to register. You have to put your email, create a password, register with Topdon. Once you get the registration, you're gonna get an email on your phone or computer, whatever, and it's gonna give you the password. Put the 4-digit number code, put it on, and then start doing the process. After that, once you create your account with Topdon, it's gonna ask you to activate the little device and pair it. Once you follow the whole process, the light when it pairs is gonna be blue. Hit active, and there you have it. Now it's working. The light is blue, so they're connected. You can start working on the vehicle. We have a check engine light. This is the main screen, Diagnostics, and we look for Ford. You want to find it quick, you can hit here on top and just type it in. Ford. Automatic selection, manual selection, automatic. You have auto scan, control unit, vehicle profile, the special functions. If you go to auto scan, it's gonna start scanning everything once we hit auto scan right here, and it's gonna find what's the problem. PCM, powertrain, RCM, VCM. We'll hit that. Evap leak, so probably gas cap. That's mainly the issue when you have this type of problems. Everything else looks normal. You want to hit the corner show all, and it's gonna show you all the problems. In here we have another code, fault, more restraint system, a seat belt problem, confirm. This one, tire pressure sensor. My customer put new tires, probably the sensors are bad, so we know what's going on with it. Nothing major, everything looks okay, but there is nothing major on this vehicle. Control unit, and you can control all these on the vehicle. Vehicle profile, special functions. On special functions you can do a lot of things. chassis, powertrain. On the chassis, braking. You can service the brakes in here. We're not gonna do that. Powertrain, reset the memory. We're not gonna do that either. But you have plenty of functions with this device. Now, if we go to maintenance, oil, you can do oil reset, throttle position, brakes, steering angle, DPF, ABS system, BMS, airbags. You want to check the battery. If you want to do the test, you can check and test your battery if you support it. Battery test, start scanning, cranking test, charging test, system test, and report settings. So nothing is really wrong with this vehicle. It's only the gas cap. I'm gonna tell the customer, and I'm gonna keep working on the shocks. I need to replace one. Now let's move to another vehicle with a check engine light. This one, it has the check engine light as well. First, connect the device, then turn the ignition on. Device is connected, ignition is on. Now this is a Dodge. This is a ProMaster. How to search. Right now it's scanning, and just make sure that the blue light is on. When the blue light is on, it's connected to the scanner. After I connected, making sure it was the right vehicle, it's checking everything. So far it's going to 57. It found 3 codes, DTC codes, everything looks normal. And in here it has these 3. First one, okay, bank one, probably, oh, P0420, never mind. Once you finish, you can close it, turn the ignition off, remove your device, and it's magnetic. You can put it on the back. As simple as that. Power off. Now if you want to go to the other screens, down here you press this little square and you're gonna have the main screen. You're gonna have the settings, set nightlight schedule. You can customize your phone, add emergency information, network. You have all the settings in here. Display, sound, storage, privacy, location. You have all the settings in here. Press it again. You can go here to do more tests, and right here you're gonna go to the app for the scanner, quick support. You can go Chrome, files, settings. Also, if you want to get this scanner, I'm gonna have a code in the description, with the link in the description for the scanner, with a 12% off with my code bullet12. All the information is gonna be in the description. You're gonna have the code from December 20 to December 29 for 12% off. And for this scanner, which is around $459 plus tax, it's gonna be around $300 when you purchase this scanner with my code and the discount. Right now it took like 5 seconds to do a new update on it. Simple as that. So I hope you like this episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.